This is where sugar begins, deep in vast sugarcane fields, grown for months under sun and rain.
Before any factory process starts, sugarcane must be precisely harvested at peak maturity. Industrial harvesters cut thousands of stalks per hour, feeding raw material for sugar production. Before any factory process starts, sugarcane must be precisely harvested at peak maturity.
Speed matters. Fresh sugarcane must reach processing quickly to preserve sugar content.
Once harvested, sugarcane begins its journey toward industrial processing.
Each load of sugarcane is weighed to track yield and efficiency.
Quality checks start immediately, even before the factory stage. Multiple loads are combined for efficient transport to sugar factories.
Securing the sugarcane prevents loss and contamination during transport.
Now the raw ingredient for sugar leaves the farm.
Every minute counts, as sugarcane naturally degrades after harvest.
The journey from field to factory is short but critical.
Entire regions synchronize harvests to keep sugar factories running non-stop. The raw sugarcane is now officially bound for industrial processing.
Before entering, sugarcane loads are staged for controlled intake. Every delivery is logged to maintain traceability in sugar production. From the field, sugarcane now enters the industrial world of sugar manufacturing. Once inside the facility, sugarcane transport becomes tightly controlled. Dedicated routes guide sugarcane from arrival to unloading zones.
Factories operate continuously, processing sugarcane day and night.
Each load of sugarcane is weighed again for precise production tracking. Accurate data ensures consistent sugar output and quality control. With approval complete, sugarcane moves to unloading. This is the first mechanical handoff inside the sugar factory. Gravity now takes over as sugarcane enters processing. Precise positioning prevents waste and ensures smooth flow. Tons of raw sugarcane are transferred in seconds. From this point, machines take control of sugar production.
This conveyor feeds the cleaning and preparation systems.
Transport vehicles clear quickly to keep flow uninterrupted. The transport cycle repeats continuously. Factories rely on non-stop sugarcane delivery. Sugarcane now reaches the heart of the factory.
Sugarcane now reaches the heart of the factory.
Transport ends. Transformation begins.
Inside the sugar factory,
raw material flow never stops.
The sugarcane is carried deep into the heart of the factory, where massive crushers and intense heat await the raw harvest.
Sugar factories are designed for massive, continuous throughput. Every conveyor connects field logistics to industrial processing.
The intake zone isolates dust, moisture, and noise. This hall controls the first internal movement of sugarcane.
Operators constantly monitor sugar flow for safety and efficiency. Speed adjustments balance incoming sugarcane volume. Even distribution prepares sugarcane for cleaning. Maintenance access is built directly into sugar factory design.
Dust control protects workers and machinery.
Controlled drops prevent fiber damage before processing.
Sugar factories rely on complex conveyor networks. Safety systems remain active at every stage of sugar production.
Lighting changes signal entry into active processing zones.
Next comes cleaning, the first true processing step for sugar.
Human oversight still guides automated sugar systems. Precise alignment ensures uninterrupted sugarcane flow.
Here, sugarcane preparation officially begins.
The first step inside the factory is cleaning raw sugarcane.
High-pressure water removes soil, stones, and field debris.
Separated contaminants are flushed away from sugar processing.
Clean sugarcane moves immediately to sorting systems.
Removing excess moisture improves downstream efficiency. Operators visually inspect sugarcane for abnormal material. Magnets remove accidental metal contamination. Utilizing a series of rapidly spinning steel rollers, the sugarcane is sorted by density and size, ensuring maximum efficiency.
Roller beds begin physical sorting of cane size.
Heavier proper alignment prepares sugarcane for crushing.
A final rinse ensures clean sugar extraction.
Water is continuously recovered and recycled.
Automated gates regulate uniform feed size.
Scene 68 here shows the rejected material conveyor. This is where we divert the larger clumps and any debris away from the main sugar line.
Unusable material is removed before processing.
Clean, sorted sugarcane is now ready for extraction. The next stage will extract juice for sugar production.
Feed consistency protects heavy crushing equipment.
This is where sugar extraction begins. Thought we're done at Wesley Bay Yard.
Heavy rollers crush sugarcane to release its juice.
This liquid contains the raw sugars used for production. The leftover fiber, called bagasse, is separated immediately. Bagasse is reused as fuel inside the sugar factory. All extracted juice is collected for purification. Powerful pumps move juice through the factory.
Multiple crushing stages maximize sugar extraction. Imbibition washes remaining sugar from fiber. Juice from all mills is combined.
Screening removes remaining plant fibers.
Only liquid moves forward in sugar processing.
Flow rates are constantly measured.
Pipelines replace conveyors for liquid sugar.
Heating prepares juice for clarification.
Controlled heat activates purification chemistry. Operators monitor every parameter.
Clarification removes impurities from sugar juice.
Now the transformation process truly begins.
Inside the clarifier, impurities begin separating from sugar juice.
Lime is added to bind unwanted particles.
These clumps trap dirt and fibers for removal.
Mechanical scrapers remove impurities continuously.
Waste material is extracted without stopping sugar flow.
Clarified juice moves forward for concentration.
Pumps maintain steady sugar processing speed.
Evaporators remove excess water from sugar juice.
Heat begins transforming juice into syrup.
Controlled heat drives evaporation efficiently.
Water removal increases sugar concentration. Multiple stages conserve energy while concentrating sugar.
Sensors ensure precise sugar concentration.
Human oversight guarantees consistency.
Now concentrated, sugar syrup moves to crystallization.
Crystallization will turn syrup into solid sugar. This stage defines final sugar structure. Sugar crystals now begin to form.
Modern sugar factories rely on automated control systems. Sensors monitor crystal growth in real time. Automation precisely controls syrup flow. Temperature stability is critical for sugar crystal quality. Stirring speed determines crystal uniformity. A central system oversees the entire sugar factory. When ready, crystallized sugar moves automatically.
Following the crystallization phase, the high-purity sugar magma is discharged for the next stage of processing.
Crystallized sugar slurry is released for separation. Precise speed separates crystals from syrup. Molasses is removed automatically.
Washing improves sugar purity.
Once cleaned, sugar crystals are released.
Solid sugar now moves by conveyor again.
Moisture levels are checked instantly. Feedback systems self-correct in real time. Drying prepares sugar for final finishing. Automation maintains perfect drying conditions.
Drying removes the last traces of moisture from sugar. Precise airflow ensures even drying.
Fully dried sugar moves to finishing.
Cooling stabilizes sugar crystals.
Controlled cooling prevents clumping.
Sifters ensure uniform grain size.
Oversized crystals are recycled automatically.
Grading defines final sugar texture.
Dust removal keeps sugar pure and safe.
Polishing improves crystal brightness.
This step gives sugar its clean finish.
Finishing complete, sugar moves to inspection.
Optical systems detect color and consistency. Random samples confirm finishing accuracy. Finished sugar now enters quality testing. Finished sugar now enters quality testing. Every batch of sugar is verified. Every batch of sugar is verified. Quality control protects consistency and safety. Quality testing begins the moment sugar leaves the finishing line.
Automated splitters ensure unbiased testing.
Moisture content directly affects sugar stability.
Color consistency reflects purification quality.
Grain size must meet strict specifications.
Chemical tests confirm sugar purity.
Any impurities would appear instantly.
Even microscopic contaminants are detected. All test results are digitally recorded. Approved batches move forward automatically.
Tested sugar rejoins the production flow.
Final verification prevents downstream errors. Human oversight finalizes approval. Quality-approved sugar advances to packaging. The final stage begins here.
This is where sugar becomes a finished product.
After rigorous testing, sugar is ready for packing. Approved sugar now enters the packaging stage.
Each package is measured with exact precision.
Packaging material is formed automatically.
Sugar is filled without human contact.
Heat seals lock in freshness.
Every sugar bag is fully traceable.
Final weight verification ensures accuracy.
Only compliant sugar continues forward. Retail-ready cartons are assembled.
Wrapped pallets protect sugar during shipping.
Finished sugar enters storage. Inventory is stored for rapid dispatch. Sugar is prepared for distribution. From factory to market, logistics stay efficient.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.
A complete journey powered by precision and scale.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.